Assalaamu alaykum. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson, we're reading from page 35 of the Safar Abridged Qaidah. So we're continuing on this theme of joining letters and this theme of the Sukun, which is the first of the joining symbols. So just have a look at this just briefly from previous lesson. The Sukun joins one letter to another letter. Simple as that. So any letter can be joined to any other letter in Arabic. So here on box 1, we've got a Hamza with a Kasra, which is the E sound, joining a Dhal. So what you're going to join the makhraj of the Dhal, which is the so it's Id. It becomes Id. Same with box number 2. If you look at that, you've got a Hamza with a Fatha joining a Meme. So it's Box 3, you've got the Seen with the Fatha joining a Lam. So it's Sal. Box 4, Qaf joining a Meme with a Dhamma. So the Qu meets the of the Meme. Qum. Box 5, the Ta with the Dhamma, Tu joins the B, so it's Tub. Tub. There's a Kalkala on the Ba as well. We're on to box 6. So the Kha here has a Dhamma, joins the Dhal, so it's Khud. Box 7, Dal joins the Ain with Fatha, Da'. Box number 8, Dhal joins the Qaf with the Dhamma, Dhuq. And the Qaf is a Qalqala letter, so you bounce it, Dhuq. Okay, just briefly, the Qalqalas are 5 letters. There's 5 Qalqala letters, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jeem, Dal. Whenever these have a Sukun on them, they become Sakin, and when you stop on them, you bounce. So whenever you read it, you bounce it, okay? It's called Qalqala. I think I went over it in the previous lesson as well. Box 9, Ain joining a Noon with a Fatha, so it's An. Box 10, Ha joining a Lam with a Fatha, Hal. Bear in mind, this is the half on the bottom of the throat or the chest, so it's relaxed, Hal. Box 11, Qaf joining a Dad with the Fatha, Qad. Ba, Fathatain, Ban, Qad, Ban. Box 12, in box 11, just go back to box 11 for a second, sorry about this. The Dad does not bounce, okay? Dad is not a bounce, not a Kalkala letter, it's not a bouncy letter, so you don't bounce it. Qad, Ban, try your best not to bounce it. It's tempting to bounce, it's quite easy to bounce that, so just be careful in that. Box 12, Meme joins a Lam with a Dhamma, Mul. Kaf with a Dhamma, Ku, Mulku. They're getting a bit more detailed, these examples now. Box 13, Fa joins a Sad with a Fatha, Fas. Lam, Dhammatain, Lun, Faslun. 14, Noon joins a Kha with a Fatha, Nakh. Lam, Fathatain, Lan, Nakhlan. 15, Ba joins a Ta with a Fatha, Batu. The Ta, bear in mind, is a Qalqala letter, so whenever it's got a Sukun on it, it will bounce. Batu, Batu, little bounce there. Sha, Batu, Sha. I find Ta probably the trickiest of the Qalqalas, personally. Box 16, the Ya joins the Qaf with the Fatha, Yaq, Yaq. Qaf is a Qalqala letter, so it's Yaq, bounces. Dad with the Kasra, Di, Yaqdi. 17, Seen joins the Ba with the Fatha, Sab, Sab. Ain, Fathatain, An, Sab'an. Box 18, Ba joins the Ain with the Fatha, Ba'. Dal, Kasra, Di, Ba'di. Remember the smile on the Kasras. Box 19, Hamza joins the Ha with the Dhamma, Uh. Ya with a standing kasra, yi, yi. Just on a side note, the ya doesn't need to have the 2 dots underneath it for it to be a ya. Just that shape is enough. And the other thing is, I don't know if you've noticed, but the hamza there, the alif symbol, is not joining onto the ha. So it doesn't join when it's in the written form, but phonetically you do join it, like that. The reason why is because the alif shape there, and the dal, dhal, ra, za and waw are all end letters. But I've done a video all about end letters, so you can recap on that. I'll leave a link to it up here, inshallah. Then we're on box 20. Noon joins the sheen with the fatha, nash, ta, fathatain, ton, nash, ton. 21. Tat, ra, ta is not a qalqala letter, so you don't want to bounce that. Tat, ra. It's tempting to bounce it, so just beware of that. 22. Ito, there's a bounce on the ta. Ito, amun. Yeah. Box 23. Zaj bounces the jim. Zaj, rotun. Yeah. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more perfect your tajweed will be, inshallah. Box 25. Kushi, tot. Now the ta, remember, does not bounce. The ta not going to bounce because it hasn't got the sukun on top of it. So it's just read like that. Box 25. Asa. Sorry, I'm trying to break it down. Right, I'll break it down. Ain joins the C. Ain with the fatha. Asa. Like that. Box 26. Ya joins the sheen with the fatha. Yash. Ra with the fatha. Ra. Yashra. Ba with the dhamma. Bu. Yashrabu. Box 27. Ahli. He. Ahlihi. Alhamdulillah, we're on to box 28 now. So there's a ya, a kha, a ra and a jim. It's a bit of a tricky one. Ya, kha, they join together. The ya joins the kha with the fatha, so you see yakhruju. Box 29. Yakburu. Remember, the kaf, not a qalqala letter, so there's no bounce there. Yakburu. 30. Bit of a tricky one again. Yajidka. Dal is a qalqala letter, so it does bounce. Box 31. Hamza joins the dha with the fatha av. Lam with the fatha la. Avla. Mim with the fatha ma. Avlama. And box 32. Nushi. Rat. Nushirat. 33. Nadrata. Box 34. Dhahri. He. Dhahrihi. 35. Ashabu. And then we're on to 36. Bi'idhni. Lots of smiling on that one, inshallah. 37. Taq. Now here you've got 2 sukoons. So 2 sukoon letters, and you've got 2 letters with a fatha. So the ta joins the qaf with the fatha. Taq. Bounce on the qaf because it's a qalqala letter. Taq. And the ha joins the ra with the fatha. Har. Taq, har. So even though there's 4 letters, there's only 2 syllables or 2 sounds there. Taq, har. Box 38. Wizraka. And then the final one. Noon joins the ghain with the fatha. Nagh. Fa joins the ra with the kasra. Sorry. Fir. Naghfir. Okay, and there we have it. That's the end of the lesson. Jazakallahu khairan for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it beneficial. Please feel free to like, comment, and also subscribe, and also share with family and friends. My aim with these tutorials is to, in a very simple and basic way, help you to perfect your tajweed in 4 key areas, namely recognition, so recognizing the letters and how they join together, how they interact with each other, pronunciation, so getting the sound correct of the words, etc. Clarity, so your recitation is nice and clear and loud. And fourthly, fluency, so you can read with a nice flow in your recitation, inshallah. So hopefully, let me know if I'm helping you. Jazakallahu khairan, to encourage myself and to encourage others, inshallah. Like I said, Ramadan around the corner, so it's a good time to put a bit of focus onto tajweed, inshallah, so that we can make the most of our recitation in the month of Ramadan. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. Assalaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.